On a rocky promontory above the Loire River rises one of France's most important royal landmarks, Château d'Amboise, a fortress transformed into a Renaissance palace and the final home of one of history's greatest minds. The story begins in the 15th century, when the medieval fortress of Amboise was seized by the French crown. King Charles VIII decided to rebuild it entirely, turning it into a luxurious residence fit for a rising European power. After his death, King Louis XII and later Francis I continued the work, bringing Italian architects and craftsmen to France, and with them came a revolution, the French Renaissance. Under Francis I, the castle became a centre of art, culture, and diplomacy. Foreign ambassadors, noble families, and European elites passed through its halls. The king even built spectacular gardens inspired by the Italian courts he admired. But Amboise's most famous resident wasn't a king. It was an artist. In 1516, Francis I invited Leonardo da Vinci to live in Amboise, offering him the nearby manor of Clos Lucé, connected to the castle by an underground passage. Leonardo spent the final 3 years of his life here, working as the king's advisor and engineer. Today, he is believed to rest in the small chapel of Saint-Hubert, right on the castle grounds. For many visitors, Amboise is where the Renaissance meets eternity. But the castle also witnessed darker chapters. In 1560, during the French Wars of Religion, the Amboise conspiracy unfolded here, leading to brutal executions that stained the castle's courtyards. After the 17th century, royal life shifted toward other palaces, and Amboise slowly fell into decline. Restoration began in the 19th century, and today Château d'Amboise stands as a national treasure. Part fortress, part Renaissance jewel, part museum of kings, queens, and creators. With its panoramic terraces, Gothic towers, and the legacy of Leonardo da Vinci, Amboise remains one of the most iconic sites in the Loire Valley. Few castles blend art, power, and history as seamlessly as this one. A place where France's monarchy shaped the Renaissance, and where genius found its final home.